Now I'm looking at one of the questions in the exam, which is usually in section B. This is task 2, a spreadsheet task. And if you can see from the task, it says that the fuel cost is equal to the return distance times price per litre divided by miles per litre. Now you must remember the rules of BODMAS or BIDMAS, brackets of division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. So we do the division separately from the multiplication. Okay, so I'm going to show you how we're going to do this in Excel. So here you can see the sheet. I just happen to use an online version of Excel. It does the same thing. So to calculate the fuel cost, it says return distance, yeah, times price per litre. So we start a formula always with an equal sign, open brackets, because we're going to have two parts to the formula. We're going to have this part, then we're going to divide it by the miles per litre. So the return distance, shift 8 will give you the star for the multiplication, multiplied by price per litre, close bracket, because we're finished with that part of the calculation, backslash, and then you've got to click on miles per litre as it says here. So when they're giving you a hint, they're actually giving you the formula. They're not telling you the cell address, but they're telling you exactly what to click on. Press enter and copy the formula down. Now what you will see is that you're getting answers that make no sense. You can't divide by 0. Now here's the thing. Always click on your formula, inspect the formula. So what are you calculating? B4, return distance, is that what it says? Yep. Times price per litre, where is that? A14, that's here. Yeah, that's 14, that's A. Divided by B14, which is miles per litre. This is where the actual miles per litre is found, in B14. Yeah, so that's correct. Can't see why. Let's inspect the next one. So you inspect by double clicking. Can you see now? B5, the return distance is correct, but the price per litre should be in A14. It's looking in A15. What's there? Nothing. And B15, what's in B15? Nothing. So you have to inspect your formulas. You must check your formulas. So the way to get around this is you double click, and on the A14, make sure that you've pressed F4, which is going to give you $2 signs. Okay, and press enter. There you go. Now let's copy it down and see what will happen. There we go. Just follow it as a rule. As I said, press F4 for the areas where you're going to be using the same data all the time in a formula. This must have A4. F4, you must press F4 to get the dollar sign for that cell reference. Okay? You must have that. And obviously, looking at your formulas, we don't spend money in 10.945161. So you need to reduce the number of decimal places to just 2. Yep. And as you can see, it will automatically change if need be. So that number is 0.15. This should change to a 0.16. So it would normally, yeah, do it all for you. There you go. Now you don't have to do each line, but if you did the first one, it then means that all the rest of them, when you copy it down, it will truncate it all for you. Okay? And that is the formula, using the hint in a formula. Remember, print out your spreadsheet showing the formula you used, and you do this by clicking on Formula, Show Formulas. As this is the cut down version, all of that cannot be seen here. So you would go to the tab where you see Home, you go along, and then you will see one that says Formula and Formula View. Thank you very much.